This is a $50 million view and you're telling me you get it for under $1 million?
Yes, sir.
In this video, we're gonna find out what lifestyle $1 million gets in Vancouver and if it's the right lifestyle for you. I live a very systematic lifestyle and Dean lives a very spontaneous lifestyle. So we're gonna see how this unit and this area fits for us. This is our all-in-one space.
Yeah,
Standard.
a little bit of everything here. So living room off to our left, kitchen prep area, kitchen eating area, kind of like a breakfast bar, and then your formal dining space.
So we're talking about if it's suitable for lifestyle. Define lifestyle.
Lifestyle, in my opinion, it would be a culmination a little bit about your work life, your personal life, your enjoyment, your hobbies. Everything combined together creates that lifestyle. For me, I would say this actually does suit my lifestyle just in terms of location. Location's really big for me because I'm in, on average, 3 to 4 cities a day, every single day. We're central enough that I could be back in Vancouver, 15 minutes. I could pop over to Coquitlam. I can go right down to Marine Drive and head over to Richmond. And then we get the amenities like all the restaurants downstairs.
Right, Dean, be quiet for a sec.
The door's not closed.
Is it? Come here. This is standard. Don't try to hide that there's Sam. The door doesn't close. What point are you trying to make?
Can you hear them still?
Yes, of course. This comes to my point of why this is not suitable for my lifestyle.
Yeah.
Privacy. I never want people to hear what I'm talking about. If everyone came just to my house, and if we're talking important things, I want to make sure people don't see us or don't hear us. So in terms of lifestyle of apartments are usually just not it for me because of that lack of privacy. Let's take a look at this view.
The biggest selling point here is gonna be the view. And I think we timed it perfectly. The weather kept up with us, but we see a little bit of everything here.
It's really cool having this. It's like I'm playing a video game. I have an overview of all of my
what's funny?
cities.
Are you scared of heights, Alex? Here, check this out, check this out. Look at the people. They look like Sims characters.
Such an overview of all of Vancouver.
Everything.
Should we check out downstairs? I mean, this unit can really only show us so much.
Yeah, definitely. You want to check out the amenities or?
Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, let's check it out. I wouldn't expect many amenities from a building like this. But what I'm mainly curious about is that the restaurants down there. There's so many options and Metro Town shopping.
Yeah.
That's what I'm curious. I've never lived right beside a mall and a bunch of restaurants.
So how about this? The amenities are pretty standard, right? It's just a gym. It's a garden space. Let's just head downstairs. All right, Alex, so when you're talking about lifestyle, you were really curious about this area. So the thing is, when you're here, you want a lot of friends to come over for entertaining, and then sometimes you can go down to the amenity space, and there is a beautiful party amenity room upstairs. But how about just have them over at a restaurant instead?
I mean, the benefit of this is that you don't have to invite them up.
Yeah, exactly.
There's one thing I don't like about having restaurants downstairs. I'd rather have a cafe or something. Is restaurants' reusability is not high. You're gonna get tired of eating something. Unless it's like a Chipotle, like something very functional.
And to mention that on cafes, there's a JJ Bean just around the corner, and then there's a new breakfast cafe to the right of it. I don't even know what it is, but if we can pan to this building, we were almost at the very top of this.
It doesn't even look high from here.
I know. Yeah, so we were up in the sky just a few minutes ago, and now we're looking at the amazing offerings here at Station Square.
The mall, for those who don't know, well, there's like a, what is it? There's Bosley's over there, the pet store. I think it's Bosley's.
Yeah.
This is like a bed and furniture store.
Yeah.
And then the mall is in that direction.
So how do you feel like it fits in or doesn't fit in with your lifestyle? And then how could you see this fitting into, let's say, majority of
privacy.
So that eliminates one of the boxes for you.
Eliminates
One of the boxes.
Lack of privacy.
Lack of privacy.
Yeah, like I prefer a gated community. So what's the consensus here?
I mean, for me, I like it. So for example, like I said, location was really big for me because I'm changing cities every day.
Yeah.
But location is really big for me too because once I get home after a long day running around, I don't want to have to go far for whatever it is. All right, Alex, so we're on the 5th floor here. It's an elevated amenity floor. The entire floor is amenities. So guest suite, party room, outdoor barbecue, multiple outdoor barbecues.
Yeah.
Space for your pets so you don't have to go down. We saw downstairs there, that's mostly concrete walkways in restaurants.
Yeah.
So this would be for your dog relief area, cat relief area.
This actually I'm starting to like.
Between the two buildings,
Because this feels like I don't have to leave my home.
You really don't have to leave. And if we turn that way, it's a fully appointed gym, yoga room, sauna room, steam room, everything you can need.
In conclusion, I think this area is suitable for on-the-go younger people.
Yeah,
Go
this
to
area
mall,
for sure.
shop. For me, and you gotta arrange this for me next time. I want to see somewhere that can provide me calmness for $1 million.
We'll definitely do that.
Okay. As a self-proclaimed artist, sometimes maybe I want to feel an emotion,
Yeah,
and I need the help of my real estate to do that.
sure. We can definitely do that.
Okay.